Hello everyone. In this video I will show you 10 tools that you will want to have for all electronics projects. So let's get started with the first item, a wire cutter and pliers in general. This one is very self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna skip to the next item. The second item you should consider is a reliable soldering iron. While you can find budget-friendly options for as little as $20, I recommend investing in one that heats up quickly and comes with a convenient stand. A good soldering iron can make your soldering tasks a breeze. Next up is the multimeter. When troubleshooting a malfunctioning circuit or device, a multimeter is your best friend. It not only measures voltage, current and resistance, but has a multitude of other uses that will come in handy for any electronics project. The fourth item is a hot glue gun. A hot glue gun is surprisingly versatile and can be used for a lot of things. For example, a hot glue gun is often the easiest way to insulate open contacts. Number 5 is heat shrink tubing, which technically isn't a tool, but still very useful and does have to be included. For the two people watching this video not knowing what heat shrink tubing is, it is basically a rubber tube that when heated with a hot air gun or a lighter will shrink and thus insulate any open soldered wires. Number 6 is a 3D printer. Obviously there are many different types of printers at different price ranges. Thankfully most printers, even at a price between $200 and $400, are still very functional and get the job done. Even in strictly electronics projects, nothing with medical engineering, you can still use a 3D printer to print something like an enclosure. Number 7 is an item a lot of people don't have, although it is well worth the price. A good electric caliper can get you through a lot of problems, especially when using together with 3D printing to make parts that just fit. Number 8 on our list is the hot air gun. This versatile tool has numerous applications, from shrinking heat shrink tubing to melting plastic and aiding in soldering. A hot air gun is a jack of all trades for electronics enthusiasts. Number 9 is a variable power supply, which proves useful when testing components without buying a battery for it or for directly powering something if you won't use it very often. And finally, our last item is on the pricier side, but can be a game changer. A small CNC mill. These machines, often available for under $150, open up a world of possibilities for precision machining and engraving, but mostly for making your own PCBs, making it an excellent addition to your electronics workshop. If enough people ask for it in the comments, I might make a video about one of these. So there you have it. 10 tools that will significantly enhance your electronics project, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Having these tools in your arsenal will undoubtedly make your journey in the world of electronics more enjoyable and successful. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.